Hi friends, welcome to the lecture of Advanced Discrete Mathematics. In last lecture, we have completed our first chapter, but there are some important types of graphs which are not in our syllabus, but they are helpful in our state exam. So let us see what is the planar graph. Planar graph. Let G be a graph. Let G be a graph with vertex set V, set V and edge set. Then the graph G is planar. It can be drawn in a plane such that no its edges crossed. So a graph G with vertex set B and edge set E is said to be a planar graph if it can be drawn in a plane in such a way that no two of its edges are crossed each other. For example, this one is the graph G1. Now we have to check whether this graph G1 is a planar graph or not. By definition of planar graph, any graph G is said to be a planar graph if it can be drawn in a plane in such a way that no two its of edges are crossed. Let's suppose this one is the E1, E2, E3 and E4, E5 and E6. Here, edges E5 and E6 cross each other. But from this, we can't conclude that the graph G is not a planar. Since this graph is isomorphic to this graph. V1, V2, V3. And let us take E6 as this and this will be the E6. And these two graphs are isomorphic, and we know that the isomorphic graph has a same nature, and here no two edges are crossed each other, so this graph is a planar graph. Hence graph G1 is a planar graph. This one is a planar graph. Now second example. Here, in this graph, again there is an edge crossing between the edges of a graph G2. So we have to find out the isomorphic graph, which is isomorphic to graph G2. Suppose this one is the vertex V1, here is the vertex V2, V3, V4, this one is vertex V2, V4. This one is the G2 dash, and this graph G2 dash is a planar graph. So by this graph G2 is also a planar graph. Next example. Now we have to check whether this graph is a planar graph or not. This one is the graph G3, which contains 3 vertices. Now, in G3 there is an edge crossing between some edges. So find out the corresponding isomorphic graph. Suppose there is this one is V4, V5. Now it remains to find out one vertex V3, which is adjacent to vertices V4, V5 and V6. If suppose here is a vertex V3, now there is an edge joining between vertex V3 to V6. Similarly, we can there is a edge joining between vertex V4 and V6. But it is not possible to adjoin this vertex V3 with V5, since there is no path from vertex V3 to V5 to adjoin V3 to V5 in such a way that there is no edge crossing between the any two edges of the graph G. So this one is the edge. So it is not possible to draw a graph in such a way that there is no edge crossing between the edges. So this one is the not a planar graph. Planar. This isomorphic graph is not planar. It means the original graph G3 is also not a planar graph. Again, there is one example. This one is the graph K5. It is a simple graph in which each pair of distinct vertices is joined by an edge. So this one is the complete graph, and complete graph is denoted by K5, since here there are 5 vertices. Now we have to check whether the graph K5 is a planar graph or not. और ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करें। This one is what is V1, V2, V3. So whether this graph is isomorphic to this graph? No, since degree of vertex V4 is 4 in K5, but here degree of vertex V4 is 3, and here it is not possible to adjacent vertex V1 and V4. That is, it is not possible to draw an edge between vertex V1 and V4. Since if we draw the edge between vertex V1 to V4, then it is crossed to some other edge of a graph G. So by definition of planar graph, this one is not a planar graph. Planar. There is one important note. A to N is a planar graph. Any complete bipartite graph, K to N is always a planar graph. The next type is graph G is said to be Euclidean and only connected every vertex of and every vertex of even degree. So any graph G is said to be a Eulerian graph if the graph G is connected and each vertex of a graph G is of even degree. Then the corresponding graph G will be said to be a Eulerian graph. For example, Now we have to check whether these graphs are Eulerian graph or not. In first graph G1 is said to be a Eulerian graph if graph G1 is connected and every vertex of graph G1 is of even degree. Now let us see whether graph G1 is connected. Yes, if there is an edge joining between each pair of distinct vertices in a graph G1, so edge joining or there is a path between any two pairs of distinct vertices in a graph G1. So graph G1 is a connected graph. Now we have to check whether every vertex of graph G1 has a even degree or not. Vertex V1 has degree 2. Similarly, vertex V2, V3 and V4 has a degree 2 and vertex V5 has a degree 4. So each vertex is of even degree. So by the definition of Eulerian graph, graph G1 is a Eulerian graph. Okay. Now we have to check whether G2 is a Eulerian graph. Here, degree of each vertex of a graph G2 is 2, which is even. So, second condition holds here. But graph G2 is not a connected graph since graph G2 has two connected components. So, graph G2 is not a Eulerian graph. Now, in graph G3, graph G3 is again a connected graph. So first condition holds. Now we have to check whether every vertex of a graph G3 is of even degree or not. Vertex V1 and vertex V2 vertex V1, V2 are of even degree. Degree of vertex V4 is 5 and degree of vertex V3 is 3. So here there is a vertex V3 which is of odd degree. So by the definition of Eulerian graph, graph G3 is not a Eulerian graph. Now in graph G4 again there is only one connected component in graph G4 and as there is only one connected graph component, so graph G4 is a connected graph. Now degree of vertex V1 and V4 is 2 and degree of vertex V2, V3, V6 and V5 is 4. So degree of each vertex of a graph G4 is even. So again by definition this one is the Eulerian graph. Now the next type is Hamiltonian graph. Hamiltonian graph. A graph G is said to be a Hamiltonian graph if it contains a cycle which includes all the vertices of a graph G. That is, if there exists a cycle which includes each and every vertex of a graph G, then the graph G is said to be a Hamiltonian graph. Now we have to check whether G1 and G2 are Hamiltonian graphs or not. According to definition of Hamiltonian graph, A graph G1 is said to be a Hamiltonian graph. It contains a cycle which includes all the vertices of a graph G. Find out one cycle. Here is vertex V1, V2, V3, V4, and V5. So V1 to V2, V1 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 to V4, and V4 to V1. We know that cycle is nothing but an closed walk in which no vertex is repeated except the end vertices. That is, a walk is said to be a closed walk if the end vertices of a walk are different, and a closed walk is said to be a cycle if there is no vertex repeated in a corresponding closed walk. Here, origin and terminus of a graph walk is same, and there is no vertex repeated in this closed walk. So by definition of cycle, this one is the cycle. So this graph G1 has one cycle which includes all the vertices of a graph G. So by definition of Hamiltonian graph, this one is the Hamiltonian graph. Now if we take one cycle which is from V1, V1, V2, now there is only one possible way to do vertex V1, V2, V1. Now first we have to check whether this one is the closed walk. Here, the ends of the walk are same. Then by definition of closed walk, this one is the closed walk. Now, for cycle, we require one closed walk in which there is no vertex is repeated. But here vertex V2 is repeated in a walk. So here it is not possible to find out a cycle which includes all the vertices of a graph G2. Hence, graph G2 is not a Hamiltonian. Okay. Now. Question: draw a irregular graph with regular graph means a graph is said to be a regular graph if each vertex of a graph, sorry, degree of each vertex in a graph G is same. Then graph G is said to be a regular graph, and a graph is said to be a k-regular if degree of each vertex of a graph G is a k. So here we have to draw a three-regular graph with three vertices. Three-regular graph means degree of each vertex is a 3, and there are three vertices. Then the degree of graph G is 9. But we know that the degree of a graph G is always an even number. But here we get a three regular graph with three vertices. If we draw a three regular graph with three vertices, then the degree will be 9. But it is not possible, since which is contradiction to our statement that every graph has a even degree. So it is not possible to draw a three regular graph with three vertices. Not draw such a graph. So here our first chapter is completed. Thank you for watching the lecture.